So here's a beautiful roasted cauliflower salad using Indian spices and Indian flavors. I've also topped it with some peanuts, which is common in India, and some red chilies. Hey there, have you subscribed as yet? If not, click the subscribe button and the notification bell immediately. Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of a cauliflower salad with you. So this is a roasted cauliflower salad, Indian style. So generally in India we don't make cauliflower salad. So this is sort of inspired by a Thai salad, and I have made it Indian by using Indian flavors. I'm sure you guys are going to like it, so let's go ahead and see how I make this salad. So here I have a small cauliflower which I have washed, and I have separated the florets, and I'm going to wipe it now, really shaking it and banging it on the pan to make sure that all the water comes out and it's fairly dry. So once that is done, and we are going to make some roasted peanuts with it, handful of peanuts. So this is about 1/3 cup or so, and you can add as many as you want, and some olive oil. I'm drizzling about 2 teaspoons or so, and a pinch of salt. Everything is as per your liking. There is no fixed recipe for this, and I'm just avoiding using my hands because I don't want to go wash them. I have put this in the oven, and it's going to cook for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit till you get these crusty brown edges. So you can see that our cauliflower is ready, and we are going to start the flavorings now. So let's go ahead and do that. I've got it out, and here is my novel idea. So a tablespoon of mango pickle. This is a low carb pickle. It's the tangy salty pickle that you might find in an Indian store, and if you don't have it, you can easily leave it out. It's not that important, but it does add a punch to the taste. A pinch of turmeric powder. I want to remind you guys to like my recipe, subscribe to my channel, and also share the channel with your friends and family. It's important that you click the notification bell, which is right next to the subscribe button, to be notified every time that I add a new recipe. So while you're doing that, let me go ahead and start the recipe. This is about 2 teaspoons of ghee. I've added some cumin seeds, about half a teaspoon, and 2 red dry chilies. And once they are brown, I am putting it on my cauliflower. I've also added some mint leaves here, so I'm cleaning the mint leaves. You can add as many as you want, and there's a mixture of green peppers and onions. This is something that I had lying around, so I added, but you can just add onions if you like, and some green coriander leaves. And we are mixing all of this together. It is so delicious because the pickle gives it that tangy taste and the spicy taste. There's also the pickle oil that is there in it, and look at how delicious it looks. The gloss that it has from the oils and the ghee and the crunchy peanuts, it's a unique flavor. It goes well with any kind of meat dish. You can add a little bit of lemon juice on top, and this is perfect accompaniment with whatever protein that you like to eat. So if you've liked the recipe and you try it out, let me know in the comments section how it turned out for you. Also share this recipe with your friends and family, and thanks for watching. Bye.